Once at a truck stop, we came across a novelty graphic tee that said, "I'm not the black sheep, I'm the tie-dyed one." And while we never thought that a gas station t-shirt should speak to us that specifically, it happened. That shirt knew us. At the Pretty Life Girls blog, we are the tie-dyed sheep.
While our finished project pictures might portray control and focus, behind the scenes it's all color and chaos and ideas and mess that somehow result in something beautiful. And really, that's all tie-dye is too. Maybe that's why we love it so much.
Tie-dye is a little bit chaotic and you really can't tell it what to do. You can get the right tools and use the right methods, but in the end, the dye will go where it wants and do what it wants. The great part is, tie-dye is tough to mess up if you do it with an open mind, mixing and pouring colors with the expectation that there is beauty in the uncontrollable.
Plus, it's impossible to create two tie-dye pieces that are exactly the same. So when you create with tie-dye, the results are always uniquely yours. Any variation in color, pattern, or any unexpected result are all just part of the swirly, crumply, gorgeous mess that is tie-dye, or any kind of making and creating.
In our new book, DIY Guide to Tie-Dye Style, The Basics and Way Beyond, you'll find everything you need to know for all things tie-dye in an easy-to-follow, step-by-step format. You'll learn all the basics plus more advanced techniques like reverse tie-dye, ice tying, and much more. And you'll find 20 original projects that you can make.
We hope you'll use this book to brighten your closet, turn something bland into something bold, and give yourself permission to create with color and chaos, embracing the result whether it's just what you envisioned or nothing like you expected.
You are the tie-dyed sheep now, and that means you get to be you. Colorful, unruly, wild, and beautiful.